Docker Compose templates every Homelabber needs. If you're running a home server, Docker Compose is your best friend. One file defines your entire stack. Let me show you 5 templates you'll use constantly. Template 1, the Reverse Proxy Stack. Jinx Proxy Manager with automatic SSL certificates. Route traffic to all your services with clean URLs and HTTPS. No more remembering port numbers. Template 2, Media Server Stack. Jellyfin plus the ARR stack. Sonar for TV, Radar for movies, Prowler for indexing, all connected automatically. One Compose file gives you a complete media center. Template 3, Monitoring Stack. Grafana, Prometheus, and Node Exporter. Beautiful dashboards showing CPU, RAM, disk, and network stats. Know what's happening on your servers before problems happen. Template 4, Password Manager Stack. Vault Warden with automatic backups. Your passwords secure on your hardware with mobile app sync. Template 5, the Everything Dashboard. Homepage container that links all your services together. One bookmark to rule them all. Each template is battle tested and ready to copy-paste. Check the description for links.